In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Jotform actions in Zapier. Whether you're looking to automate tasks or streamline your workflows, integrating Jotform with Zapier can be a powerful combination. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's get started. First, head over to Zapier's website. If you're unfamiliar, Zapier is a versatile online tool that helps automate processes by linking your favorite apps and services. Now, once you're on the Zapier homepage, look toward the top right corner and click on the login button. If you're not already signed in, Zapier allows you to log in seamlessly with your Google account, making this process quick and easy. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on the Create button to begin setting up a new Zap. A Zap is basically a connection between apps, allowing you to automate tasks. This step will redirect you to the Zap creation page, where you'll need to select the Zaps option to start building your integration. The next step is to add a trigger. A trigger is something that happens in one app which kickstarts the automated workflow. Click on the trigger button, then select Gmail as your trigger app. By doing this, you're telling Zapier that you want to start an automation based on an action happening in Gmail. After selecting Gmail, you'll be prompted to choose an event. For this tutorial, opt for the new label event. This means your automation will kick in every time a new label is applied in Gmail. Sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. This ensures that Zapier has permission to access the necessary data. After signing in, it's important to perform a test to make sure everything is set up correctly. Click on the test button and Zapier will check that it can connect to your email and detect the new label as expected. Now that the initial trigger part of your Zap is ready, it's time to set up the action, which is what happens after the trigger event. Click Action, and in the search bar type Jotform. When Jotform appears in the list, go ahead and select it. You'll now have to choose an event from the Jotform app, such as Assign Form, which allows you to automate form assignment based on the trigger. Once you've selected your desired action, click Sign In on your Jotform account if required. Now test this connection as you did with Gmail to ensure everything is linked properly. Finally, the last step is to click on Publish to activate your new automation. That's it, you've successfully created a Zap integrating Jotform with Gmail, allowing you to automate tasks and enhance your productivity. Keep exploring and experimenting with other possibilities within Zapier to see how you can further optimize your workflows. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.